Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2025 GMC Acadia? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dash centers around a prominent portrait-style 15-inch infotainment touchscreen featuring Google built-in Apple CarPlay, paired with an 11-inch digital driver cluster for essential vehicle data in clear view. The instrument cluster features an 11-inch fully digital display with customizable layouts showing gauges, navigation, and off-road data like pitch, roll, and AWD status. The LCD is a high-resolution, centrally mounted touchscreen with infotainment, navigation, connectivity features. The climate features a tri-zone automatic climate control system that allows individual temperature. It features a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. The steering wheel is heated, leather-wrapped, and features tilt and telescoping adjustment. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Driver seat belt reminder. Front passenger seat belt reminder. Second and third row passenger seat belt reminder. Airbag readiness light. Passenger airbag status. Charging system light. Malfunction indicator lamp. Brake system warning. Electric parking brake. Service electric parking brake. Anti-lock brake system. All-wheel drive light. Front-wheel drive light. Hill descent control light. Lane keep assist light. Automatic emergency braking. Vehicle ahead indicator. Pedestrian ahead indicator. Traction off light. Electronic stability control light. Electronic stability control off. Engine coolant temperature warning. Sport mode, snow or ice mode. Terrain mode, off-road mode. Tire pressure light, engine oil pressure light. Low fuel warning, auto stop indicator. Security light, high beam on light. IntelliBeam light, front fog lamp light. Lamps on reminder, cruise control light. Super cruise light, driver attention assist light. Door ajar light, adaptive cruise control light. Safety precaution. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.